Welcome to Secrets Bahia Mita in the Nayarit area of the Pacific coast of Mexico, just north of Puerto Vallarta. I'm going to give you a room tour of a junior suite tropical view. It's the entry level room category here at this property. So first things first, when we go in, on the right hand side you have your secret box. Now if you're not familiar with secrets, this is a pass-through box where they will put in your room service orders, and when you're done with your plates you can put them in here, and then from the front they'll go grab the dirty dishes. So it's a nice way to get room service without having to actually open up your door. So I'll just close the front door and then give you a tour of the rest of the room. So on the right hand side you've got your closet space. There are slippers, got your bathrobes, a rack for your luggage, a scale if you want to check your weight. There is laundry service if you'd like here. You've got an iron and a hair dryer, as well as your safe. There's some storage drawers down below. Further here on the right hand side you've got your desk / makeup area and some nice mirrors. You've got your digital thermostat on the wall. You have your mini fridge. You've got some of your mini bars set up with some glasses and ice bucket. Your nice flat panel TV, which is on, welcoming me to the room. You have your coffee set up with Nespresso, which is kind of a nice upgrade feature. Table, small, kind of a dining table with 2 chairs. Here you have your outdoor seating area. This is, again, the tropical view. So you can see a glimpse of the ocean up here on the left, a tiny little bit, but mostly you're looking at nice lush trees. So back inside, you've got a sofa. Now this sofa does open up into a bed, but this room is only a double occupancy room. But you can have one person sleep on the sofa bed and one person sleep on the beautiful plush king bed over here. Now they do have a few versions of this room that have 2 double beds, but the one that I'm in is a king only. You do have this cool tablet, and in this tablet you can control the I believe you can control the TV, you can order room service, you can get your spa appointments made with there, so that's a nice feature. Here you have these nice lights on either side of the bed, a whole bunch of light switches to control everything in the room. You have a reading light, and I believe these reading lights have a USB charger. Maybe not. Oh, down here there is a power plug for your CPAP machine or anything else you want to plug in, as well as USB to charge your iPhone and your tablet. They give you a nice beach bag to use while you're here. It's got some beach towels in there. And this just really beautiful. Who wouldn't love to jump into this bed? It looks so inviting. You got your phone, remote control on the other side table. And here I'm going to show you the bathroom, full length mirror. Hello. So here in this bathroom you have a dual basin sink. One of the things I love about Secrets and Dream Properties is they give you full-size toiletry. So you can see you've got your conditioner, your body lotion, your body wash, your shampoo. So they really have great toiletries that they give you at Secrets and Dreams Properties. You have a big stand-up shower. Now it's important to note that you can see through from the bedroom to the shower, so you have to be okay with that when you're booking this kind of a room. At the Dream side of the property, it's not so exposed, but here at Secrets, that's the way the shower is set up, and it is a beautiful big shower with a rainfall from the top, and as well as a handheld sprayer, and got a bench over there. Very beautiful. And then here I'll just show you quickly. You've got you do have a private commode toilet area, which you can close that off when you're using the toilet. So I'll just give you one more sweeping view around, and this is the junior suite tropical view here at Secrets Bahia Mita, here in the Riviera Nayarit section of the Pacific coast of Mexico, just near Puerto Vallarta. It's about a 45-minute drive from the Puerto Vallarta airport. And this hotel is only about 18 months old as I'm filming this. We are currently December 15th, 2022. It opened in the middle of 2021, and it is really a beautiful property. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. put a comment in about what you think about this room, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.